Hey guys, it's Ducky here from TechAddicts, and today we're looking at the DJI Tello Drone. We're out in the park at the moment, and we're going to see how she goes. I'm usually not impressed by drones in the budget category, as I've been burned many times before, but the Tello is actually quite good, with only a few minor issues. In the box, you get the drone, a battery, spare propellers, the instruction manual, and no charging cord. It's only a micro USB cable though, so most people will have one, but I feel like it's a bit of an oversight not to include one. The drone has Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connection, 720p video camera with no onboard storage, vision positioning system for hovering and stabilization, fail-safe protection for when it disconnects, a programming software development kit, special flight modes for taking 360 photos, digital image stabilization, 100-meter flight distance, 13-minute flight time, and a VR-capable app. The hardware is pretty solid. The battery is bigger than the other budget drones, giving it up to 13 minutes of flight time. When I was using it, I got about 10 minutes of flying around and doing tricks. It's about 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters in size and weighs 80 grams. This puts it in the very light drone category, making it exempt from a lot of the CASA restrictions regarding drones in Australia. The app is good. The controls are super easy to use and it's very easy to connect. You only just need to connect to the Wi-Fi network it creates. It's super easy to fly. The controls are responsive. It's about half a second delay between the app and the drone, and then another half a second or so for the video to come back to you. While it claims a range of about 100 meters, I was getting the low signal warning when I was about 50 meters away, and the video feed would visually glitch even when it's only 10 to 20 meters away. Normally that's not a problem when you're flying a drone, however, if you're using it to record video, the glitches actually come through into the video footage. Having onboard storage on the drone via a micro SD card would fix this. The camera's quality when it's not glitching, however, is amazing for a drone this size, and video stabilization is even better than I expected. Doesn't even use a gimbal like the higher-end DJI drones. They've marketed the drone as being capable for use in education and STEM projects, including programming. I work in multiple schools as well as my job at TechAddicts, and hardware-wise, this drone would be perfect for education use. However, the programming side of the drones is absolutely trash, which is really disappointing. They claim to support Scratch. However, it requires you to install the Scratch offline editor on a PC, connect the PC up to the Wi-Fi of the drone, add in the special programming software bits like Node.js, add a bit more extra configuration, and then you can start programming it. And even then, it's not very good. If they were to build an education-based app with drag and drop programming blocks just like Scratch, but for use on an iPad or an Android device, this would be the best drone for education by far. Thankfully, they have announced that they're releasing a version of the Tello drone for education, which should fix this, hopefully due later this year. In conclusion, the hardware is great, the app is great, flying with it is super easy. I can see why DJI have partnered with Rise for this drone, as it's basically all the goodness of the DJI drones, but at a price point of a budget mini drone. The connection quality could be improved to make the video quality not so glitchy, or adding a micro SD card on the drone itself to record. It's basically perfect for kids, great for adults who want to play with a drone without spending a lot of cash, and has the potential to be awesome for education if they sort out the programming side of things. I'm going to give this drone 2 ratings. For using it around the home and as a toy, 9 out of 10 ducks. For education use, however, with STEM-based activities, 6 out of 10. When the education version is released, I hope to be able to review it and update my review. I'm super excited for it for use in schools, and when they do actually release it, it's going to be the best drone for schools.